the metric system is not the only system that's used in this class. So Chapter 5 kind of goes into some of the other ones. The first is ratios. So in this course, if you see 2 to 7, then that means 2 parts drug in 7 parts solution. And it goes both ways, so if you see 3 parts drug in 6 parts solution, then you can say 3 to 6. Although you do need to reduce it to simplest terms. So very much like a fraction, if this were 3 over 6, that reduces to 1/2. This reduces to 1 to 2. So number 1 says express as a ratio 1 part drug in 50 parts solution. I can just write 1 to 50, and that really means the same thing as all of this. So it's kind of a nice shorthand notation. 2 parts drug in 10 parts solution would be 2 to 10, but then that reduces to 1 to 5. So that's because I divided both of those by 2. So very much like reducing a fraction. So make sure that you express the ratio in simplest terms. Number 3, express as a ratio 6-part solution contains 4 parts drug. So they're kind of trying to trick us here because it's the parts drug that should always come first in the ratio, but they're listing it second here. So it's actually 4 to 6 because the drug part always comes first and then the solution. And then this can be reduced to 2 to 3.